Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Do you want to protect your valuables from getting damaged from water or exposure to salt air or sand? Then you're going to love these pouches that we got from AiRunTech. So I got these for our trip to Hawaii and they were absolutely perfect. I loved that I could wear them in the water and have the peace of mind of knowing that I have my wallet and keys and other valuables with me, but also knowing that they're not going to get ruined by being in the water. You can see that I was able to fully submerge it without issue. Everything stayed completely dry inside. I was surprised that my husband even enjoyed wearing his too. He's not much of like a bag guy, but this is small, discreet, and just fits nicely around your waist. So this is extremely simple to use. To keep your stuff dry, you're gonna make sure that you completely seal each of the 3 locks. You fold it down and then you Velcro it on top. And again, even though I used this for 10 days, it kept everything completely dry inside. I think you're gonna love this for your next water adventure, and that's my point of view.